I'll be back. Wait a minute, guys. That Ender Dragon likes hanging around that spot. How about we climb up on there? I'm gonna have no choice but to sadly kill it. Yeah, life is sad. Well, that's nature for you. But well, with our lightsabers here, we can try and kill it if possible by stabbing it in the head. Which is very gruesome, and I don't know if YouTube's gonna really allow that, but we're gonna show you blood in it, whatever. It's just Ender Dragon. Come on, it's Minecraft, folks. Guys, you gotta wake up. Oh. Well, I guess I'll have to do it then.
No. You can't hit me. I'm a woman. And plus, you go to jail if you hit a woman.
Well, thanks for free advice. But I know someone who can.
Are you doing that? But I can.
What the hell? Oh, okay. Aha! Oh, what the hell? Come on, that's cheating. Come on, man. I'm a woman. So are you. I just goofed up. That was easy.
How long have I been out?
Come. Wait, where's Darth Ender? No, whatever. Sit down. Really? What was that from?
I told you to sit down.
Huh. Would you look at that? I made you look. What?
Ow.
Ow. You guys okay? Yeah, you guys okay? I just said that. Shut up. Oh yeah, we're fine. Okay, so we're gonna do about that dragon still? Yeah, it's still like still flying around, you know? Well, here's the plan. We'll try and climb up that pole. Considering they're both connected together, we can try and climb up one of them each. And try and see if we can take it down together, okay? Is that good? Yeah, I guess that's a good idea. Yeah, so me and Rosie, we'll take we'll take the left pole. You guys take the right. Okay, deal? Deal. Make sure you grab your lightsabers. Come on. Yeah. I'll see you, okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Hey, now I'm fine. Sorry. Thanks for this. This is new. Let's do this. Watch out, come back. Alright, Chuck, do you have your lightsaber? Yeah, do it. Take mine. Okay. I will admit yellow's not really my color, but but yeah. Dude, it's now or never. I think it's coming towards you. Oh, wait, really? Wow. I'm on his tail. No, let's read. I'm actually on his tail. No, wait. He's going towards the curve. Not the curve. Not the curve. Ah! I'm okay, guys. I'm okay, I think. I think I just need a rest. Ooh. You've got him, John.
Here comes in, comes in. Oh!
Whoa, would you look at that, guys? I'm riding the dragon. Oh yeah, what was this? Oh yeah, killing thing.
Oh, well, I just felt like I was stabbed right in the back. Well, no, not like a stab, but it just burns for some reason. Same here, man. Oh wow.
Long story short, you might have been sliced with a lightsaber, and it's kind of bleeding a bit badly.
I can live it.
I'll go for it. It's pretty tough. I'm pretty tough in that.
Oh, guys, I hate to break the conversation here, but, is that Ender Dragon coming towards us?
What? Oh. Well, fuck. Ow, that was kind of rough, man. Oh, God, still alive. Oh, there's a... Ah. We did it. He's dead now, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that looks dead. Even though his eyes aren't closed, but whatever. We did it. We did it, guys. Hey, man, you okay? Yeah, I should be fine. My rest is over. Okay, come on, get up. Okay, fine. You okay? Guys, shut up. We did it, guys. We defeated the Ender Dragon. It's done. It's finally over. We don't really need to fear of him anymore. The Enders and that. I mean, hell, look at them. They're squashed, basically. Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, all ends well. Wait a minute. Where's Ice and the green one? The green one, really? Hey, look. It's hard to remember people's name. We were doing this for over a year, and you forgot the name. Sorry. Come on. Wait, guys, is that them over there? Oh, there? Wait, is that... Oh, it is them. Wait, what happened to Ice? Oh, it's okay, there you go, Ice. There we go. It's okay, just a step at a time. Just a step at a time. Wait, what happened to Ice? It's okay, guys. I guess I feel fine a little bit, I guess. If you really want to say that. But I kind of wouldn't, but... yeah, I feel fine. He was stabbed, basically. What? Oh, you were stabbed. Oh. I'm sorry. Well, have a good life. God, he's so weird. Wait, why is he on the team again? Oh, no. Hey, it was a good fire. It's a good fire, okay? Chuck Jr., you're so weird. Wish I had a reverse card now. I really wish. We should carry one now. Well, anyway, long story short, I was stabbed. I tried to fight and I kind of failed. I mean, this guy here. This guy kind of did all the work and that. Hey, what's team for, man? Oh. Thanks. Yeah, that crazy stuff happened today. Yeah, I know. Well, what should I do now? That Ender Dragon's over there. Hey guys, look! I defeated the Ender Dragon all by myself, without none of your guys' help. See, I am good. Yeah, John, thanks, but you gotta admit, we did kind of help as well. I mean, we tried, but we did do something. Well, anyway, I think the stab wound should be healing. Probably around 3 weeks, I'm guessing. For probably up to a month. I'm okay, but what should we do this time being? I don't know, if we really think about it, we technically don't really have a home. Yeah, and apparently we were supposed to make a base, but that never really happened, so I'm not really happy about that. Because we basically been living here, or living at the Ender base. Well, hey, they won't be a threat for quite a long time, okay? I mean, you saw how long it took last time? I mean, hell, look at this time. I mean, they're barely gonna be a threat this time. You ain't wrong there, Chief. Well, what should we do now? I mean, should we make a base in that? Probably right here, I guess? We'll get the police just escort them out of here. And yeah. If you think about it, yeah, sure. I guess we can make a base here. Yeah, I guess it's a good idea. I have no idea what you guys are talking about. I never get involved in these things. Well, what are we gonna do now? No! Fine, I guess I'll play Minecraft.
Oh, that's kind of a good idea.
Yeah, come on, let's play some Minecraft.
Guys, where are you going? I defeated the Ender Dragon. Guys, could you give me attention? I defeated the Ender Dragon. Does everyone know what happened to Darth Vader? Guys, don't leave me. I'm starting to get lonely. Guys, that's a PD.